please subscribe my channel. If you like my channel, read it carefully, and blessings to all of you. All the best. Please, if you like, then subscribe. Difference between amylose and this cellulose, alpha link and beta link. So alpha link is here, alpha glucose, C1C4 linkage is called alpha link. Okay, first you have to draw this glucose structure, and then you have to, this is first carbon and this is fourth carbon, they are linked together. First carbon and fourth carbon are linked together, and this is repeated unit is occurring in case of amylose. It is one of the component of starch. Okay, so this is alpha C1C4 linkage is there, alpha D glucose units, and in beta D glucose units. So see here, in this case hydrogen is up, in this case hydrogen is down. Okay, when hydrogen is down, at that moment it is anomer. We see that it is the anomer of glucose. See here, this is anomer, both of them are anomer of each other at C1 carbon. Okay, so here also C1C4 linkage is there in case of beta D linkage in case of cellulose. Okay, so this is cellulose is polymer of beta D glucose unit. One, this is first structure or second structure, both of them are one and the same thing. C1C4 linkage, C1 is C1C4, this is C1C4 linkage is there. Okay, so this is beta D linkage in case of cellulose. Clear? Polymer of beta D glucose. Now we'll discuss about starch and glycogen. Both of them are polymer of alpha glucose, starch and glycogen, and both of them having component amylose and amylopectin. Amylose I have discussed with you, and then amylopectin I will discuss now. See here, this is amylopectin, C1C4 linkage as well as C1C6 linkage is occurring in case of amylopectin. This is first carbon, this is sixth carbon. So they are joined together, and again C1C4 linkage, C1C4 linkage, C1C4 linkage, and after 4 to 5 units, 4 to 8 glucose unit, there will be C1C6 linkage in case of glycogen. But in case of starch, there will be after 25 to 30 glucose unit, alpha 1,6 glycosidic linkage will be occurring. That is main difference only. Otherwise, both of them are structurally same. Only heavily branching in case of glycogen, but in case of starch, this is less branching. After 25 to 30 alpha glucose unit is occurring. Okay, and please subscribe my channel. If you like it, then subscribe it. Okay, so this is alpha glucose, and we discuss about the C1C4 linkage. We discuss about C1C4 linkage of beta D link. This is alpha link, this is beta D, amylose alpha linkage, this is cellulose beta D linkage. And then we have discussed about amylopectin also.